Okay, so we're at Jollibee's and we're actually have a really good view right here. So we can look right down in the street right here. And we can also overlook parts of the cathedral, and then down there is Sao Paulo ruins, Snow Square. So what we're gonna do is we're going to try to maybe look out the window view over there and then go down this way and go out of this building. Then we're gonna come back down and take a look at this building from down there. So here we are in Jollibee's in Macau. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's get started. So we're gonna throw away this tray first. We got these nice views right here. This is kind of the main thing, so we're gonna walk over here real quick. There we go. Okay. So let's head on out. So we're gonna go down. So yeah, this is the Jollibee's right here. And you can see they also have another room right there as well. Also the famous Chicken Joy. Okay. So let's head on down. So we're not sure the name of this building, but we are going to head down that way. Actually, this building has a few stories. I've never been up in these ones. I think they're like office spaces up there. We're going to walk directly down to the street in a moment. There's also a BDO, which is pretty popular among Filipinos as well, because they'll send money through here. BDO remit. And it looks like they're doing some construction in here. Now we're out on the street, so we're basically had a view of Pizza Hut from that window. There's a Starbucks up there as well. So we're just gonna come down like this. And this is Hua Central. There's some churches that go all the way up there. And then that's where we're just at, is this whole corner right there, Jollibee's. And I guess what we're gonna probably do is try to get it from different angles. And we'll probably try to go all the way over to that side as well. So yeah, this is the Jollibee, but it has a pretty nice corner location. Amazing corner location. So we're gonna head down this way. We're basically walking towards Sao Paulo right now, so we're just gonna walk down that way, across the street, and then come back, and then go up those steps. So yeah, you can see Snow Square right here. And I think in the future they're gonna, I think I heard they're gonna make that more into a pedestrian street way down there again, which is what they did in the past. There's the post office. That's where we're coming from. If we hurry, we can get across the street right now, but I think it's going to be too late. Okay. So we're going to walk across there in a minute. So we're continuing. Our Jollibee's is right there. Post office is right here. Let's kind of give you a little idea where we are. And that's the whole Snow Square area down that way. So we're going to walk down to those steps. this is right out front of Avenida de Almeida, Ribeiro. So that's where this address is of this Jollibee, is right up here. We're going to navigate a little bit. There's Jollibee's. And what I'm just going to do is just come up to these steps, just go up the steps a little bit, and then we'll try to film all the people coming by and Jollibee in the background. That might even be a thumbnail as well. Good to say. Kind of cool. Let's take a look here. So you can see Jollibee. So we were basically right at that corner right there, right? So, okay. That was Hua Central. Hua Central kind of goes like that. Goes up. Go up a little bit further, higher up. Let's see. There we go. And so we'll end it right there, but that's the Jollibee's right there. You got some pretty nice balconies like that as well. Alright. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.